In this tutorial, we'll learn how to set up the time-based one-time password, TOTP, MFA plugin for enhanced authentication. Click the gear icon to open the administrator bar. Navigate to Settings. Select Directory Manager. Click Add New Multi-Factor Authenticator to start setting up additional login security. Choose the time-based one-time password, TOTP option. Click Submit. Enable the multi-factor authentication. Close the System Settings window once your changes are complete. Close the administrator bar. Open Competitor Research app to configure the multi-factor authentication as user. Click the user avatar. Navigate to Profile. In the multi-factor authentication, click Link. Scan the QR code using your TOTP Authenticator app. The app will display a 6-digit code. Enter that code into the password field. Click Submit. Let's log out and log in again to see the TOTP in action. Click your profile avatar. Click Logout. Click Login to sign in again. Enter your username and password. Click Login. A pop-up should appear requesting the one-time password. Enter the code from your TOTP Authenticator into the password field. Click Submit. And that's it. You've successfully set up TOTP authentication for your app. For more details, check out our official documentation or community.